So, you want to dive into Adobe Creative Cloud but don't have, or want to use, an Adobe account. Let's get straight to it. The standard way Creative Cloud functions requires a login. The desktop app usually opens with a sign-in screen. A key point: if you've already installed Adobe applications, like Photoshop or Illustrator, you might still be able to use them. The Creative Cloud app manages your account, updates, installs software, and accesses cloud services. If your applications are properly licensed, they may function without an active account, especially for offline use, as long as the software has been activated. However, you'll be limited. Features like cloud storage, font syncing, and online collaboration need an Adobe account. You'll be prompted to sign in to utilize them. Local access is what you should expect. Basic editing and creation will often remain possible, but not online features. The core functionality, your user interface, will remain accessible, while full Creative Cloud access without an account is unlikely. Installed applications can be useful in a pinch. Understand the limitations. Try it, and remember to like and subscribe.